family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my simple oil mixture that I use on my skin at night to be able to prevent cellulite, scratch marks, and just firm my skin, give me that smooth, soft, glowy skin. Now I also got my shea butter mixture. I use this in the day. I'm almost out of that. I also use this on the girl's skin, on Aurora skin at night, but I use this during the day on my skin. I use cream shea butter during the day, and then I use this on Aurora skin at night. But in the night after my shower, I love to sit back, relax, and then just massage my skin, oil my skin. And the type of oils that I use, these are oils which are great for removing and preventing cellulite. So I'm going to show these oils to you. I'm someone I almost like to overdo things. Now, if you don't want to use all 6 oils, I would recommend 3 to you. I would highly recommend 3 to you. And even among those 3, you can even take one of it. The number one, I would also recommend that to you because I know nowadays things are hard. People don't have money to just go out and buy a lot of things. We are doing simple ingredients. So I will also recommend only one to you if you just need only one. And I promise you it works. Now, this is what I've been doing for some months now. But apart from that, I'm someone who I make sure I moisturize my skin every night. If you are not doing it, you should now, probably because you are young, you wouldn't see the benefit for it. But as you get older and you will start to notice a lot of wrinkles, I'm not saying wrinkles are bad, but if you just don't want to start getting wrinkles so early on your skin, then I would recommend that you start moisturizing your skin from a young age. This is something I grew up doing. I make sure that I moisturize my skin every evening and also every morning. Sometimes if you are rushing in the morning, you cannot moisturize your skin. I understand, but in the evening after you shower, make sure that you are moisturizing your skin. Now, again, if you want to use oils on your skin, you have to make sure that you use oils at night after you shower. If you put oils on dry skin, it's just going to coat the top layer of your skin. It is not going to penetrate into your skin. So I highly recommend, if you want to use oils to get rid of stretch marks, to get rid of cellulite, then I would recommend that you do it after your shower. Like that, your skin is a bit damp, and then the oils will be able to penetrate, moisturize your skin to be able to prevent your cellulite, cellulite, and then also your scratch marks. So starting with our oils, the first oil I'm going to recommend is, thank you, hubby brought me some lemon water. I've been drinking lemon water for weight loss, and I've had a great success in it. I will show you guys the whole process. I will make this in another video if you guys are interested. Just saying.
My success was better though. Hubby lost 42 pounds.
Did you guys hear him? Hubby lost 42 pounds in,
Six
let's
months
say,
time.
within a 6 months time.
And
But
not
me,
just lost it, but kept it going.
and kept it going. Me, I lost 15 pounds in like 3 weeks. So mine worked very fast because I cheated a bit. I used extra lemons, but this is not part of this video. We're gonna sit down and make a separate video for that and show you guys our secret tip. Okay, back to our, why am I not pronouncing this, cellulite treatment. I got mine. This is Palmer's. My thing is a little bit upside down, so I'm going to leave the name on the screen. But this is my Hydrate Replenish Body Oil, and then it have coconut oil and green coffee. If you don't know, yes, coffee is also great for the skin. I use coffee in a lot of DIYs for my hair, and then I also use it on my skin as a to not to tone my skin to what's the word? I can't remember the word, but I use coffee coffee treatment on my skin, and this is the first oil that I use. I mix it with other oils. The next oil that I use is my castor oil. I also mix this in my skin oil, and this is to soften the skin. Number two oil. Now number three oil. I don't know if some people have problem with using this, but I use baby oil on my skin. That's why my skin stays like baby skin. So I use my baby oil, and according to it, it helps to seal in moisture, and that's what we want, right? Once our skin is moisturized, that's great. Now going to the treatment specifically for cellulite. Our first oil is this one. I will also leave it on the screen. And if you guys want these oils, I will also add it to my Amazon store. I will leave my Amazon store link down in the description box. And this is 100% natural. It have grapeseed oil in it. It have eucalyptus, lemon, which is very great for the skin. Also lemon water for weight loss. And then it also have grapefruit oil in it. And this oil helps to firm the skin and also tones the skin and smooth the skin. If you guys cannot see it too good, I will bring it closer to the camera when I'm mixing them up. And then the next oil that I use is also this one, and it also got eucalyptus in it, also lemon and grapefruit. So these two oils are similar. Even this number three one is similar in ingredients. So if you don't want to buy both of them, you can either choose this or this, but I'm going to be mixing all of it together. Now the one ingredient where I said that you guys can only use one if you don't have money to buy all of it, it will be this anti-cellulite massage oil. Now this one comes with collagen plus stem cell infused. This is really great, and it also got grapeseed, eucalyptus, lemon, and grapefruit oil. Now the collagen and stem cells infused in it, this is really great. And then according to the direction, it said applied on them skin after taking your shower or your bath. Exactly what I just said, right? And then massage it in until it's absorbed into your skin, which is to use after you take your bath. And this is how it is looking. Now if you don't want to use any of these other oils, which I just recommend, you can just use only this oil and it's gonna work.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, family, so this is the end of today's video. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have used any of these oils and how well it worked for you. As for me, it is working great for me. And subscribe. Leave your cellulite tip down below in the comment section so you can help others out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.